Why does the reliance of the United States officials on foreign charges, especially from the post-Soviet Union countries, damage the integrity of the United States' reputation and the legal system as a whole? The key answer is the indictment procedure. In the United States, a prosecutor must present the charge to a grand jury to demonstrate there are substantial reasons to accuse a person with a crime. During this process, the prosecutor must defend the legitimacy of the charge, supported by evidence, and the grand jury must find it credible enough to move forward. This critical step ensures that the charges in the United States carry weight and accountability, and the prosecutor can less likely proceed arbitrarily. Nothing of the kind exists in post-Soviet Union or likewise countries. For example, in Russia, an investigator alone, through nothing more than its signature, can formally charge any person. There is no grand jury, no independent review, and no requirement to justify a charge as credible or based on sufficient evidence. It's essentially one individual's unverified, arbitrary opinion that sets the process to move forward. In other words, in the United States, the charge represents the opinion that passed through the system of safeguards, checks, and balances, and collective opinions of a grand jury. While in Russia, for example, it's a sole opinion of one investigator and one signature. No checks and balances, nothing else. But this sole investigator's opinion, even by Russian system, is not conclusive or final. It's disputable in the court. Therefore, when the US officials, for example, US judges or United States enforcement officers, treat red notice or request for extradition made on the basis of mere charge, and they consider it's reliable or probative, they actually give a way to unverified, non-probative, sole opinion of an unknown, unrepresented foreign investigator without assessing its credibility or probativeness. This actually undermines the very principles of the United States justice. The United States officials, including judges, are sworn to uphold. This is not just a failure of due process, it's an abdication of responsibility that damages the integrity of the US legal and justice system as a whole.